Did you know your GPS might be tracking more than just your location? Sarah had been driving for Uber for 3 months. Every night shift, the same thing happened. Her GPS would glitch, suggesting routes through places that felt familiar. A dead-end street with rusted playground equipment, an abandoned gas station with flickering neon, a bridge over black water. These weren't real places. They were from her childhood nightmares, the same dreams she'd had for 20 years. But here they were, on her phone screen. One night, curiosity got the better of her. She followed the route, turn after turn, into parts of the city she'd never seen, but somehow knew. Then she saw it, the playground from her dreams, exactly as she remembered. Rusted swings creaking in the wind. Her phone buzzed. A text from an unknown number. "You're finally here." She looked up. A figure stood by the swings, waiting, just like in her nightmares. But this time, she was awake.